Holman tap timers come in two distinct categories, mechanical and electronic. Mechanical tap timers are manually operated with an automatic shut-off. Watering time needs to be manually selected on each day and time when watering is required. There are no programmable options. Electronic tap timers provide automatic start and shut off and are available in 2-dial or digital. 2-dial tap timers turn on and off automatically. Watering frequency and runtime options are preset. Multiple start times are available per day and are easy two-step programming. Digital tap timers turn on and off automatically, have an LCD display, are fully programmable, offer multiple start times per day, and run times can be set to start on any given day, hour or minute. The Specialised Pro Tap Timer offers fully programmable operation during a 24-hour period. It allows multiple start options per day, which can be set in hours, minutes or seconds on a specific day or days. The Smart Control Bluetooth Pro 3015 Tap Timer offers automatic or manual operation and is fully programmable with the use of Bluetooth through a free app downloaded on your smartphone or tablet. For further information on tap timer videos, visit our website at holmanindustries.com.au.